we introduced the new Nintendo 2DS XL. This product offers a new choice of handheld system, one that offers pricing and features that fit between the Nintendo 2DS and the new Nintendo 3DS XL. But how about what it looks like? New Nintendo 2DS XL has the same size of extra large screen as the new Nintendo 3DS XL and packs the same power, but it feels lighter. However, the lightness doesn't stop it feeling really solid to hold. The colour design looks great too. This is the black and turquoise colour combination. You've got the beautiful turquoise buttons and on the back as well. The lid has these cool ridges and the beautiful ring of colour around it too. Feels really nice in hand. New Nintendo 2DS XL has built-in amiibo functionality. It's got the C-Stick for enhanced controls and plays Nintendo 3DS games in 2D and Nintendo DS games, with access to all the online features that the Nintendo 3DS and Nintendo 2DS consoles have. That includes wireless multiplayer, not only between the new Nintendo 2DS XL and the existing members of the Nintendo 3DS family, but also
with each other.
Welcome, Yoshimura-san, Managing Director of Nintendo Australia and New Zealand. And you have the white and orange version.
Yes, that's right, Kirsty. Aussie and New Zealand fans will be able to choose from two colors when new Nintendo 2DS XL launches.
But now we have to decide what to play. We have a huge back catalogue of handheld games available. For multiplayer games, we have Mario Kart 7, Super Smash Bros. For Nintendo 3DS, Pokemon Sun, Pokemon Moon.
And then you can go on fun adventures through The Legend of Zelda, A Link Between Worlds, Super Mario 3D Land, and Kirby Planet Robobot.
Plus, for our Aussie and New Zealand fans, you can enjoy classics like Donkey Kong Country Returns, Mario and Luigi Dream Team Brothers, Paper Mario Sticker Star, and the amazing Luigi's Mansion 2 for a great price, launching as part of the Nintendo Selects range on May 11th.
There are also many new titles to be excited about, including Hey, Pikmin, Miitopia, and Ever Oasis.
This console is great for those looking to embark on their first handheld gaming adventure, or maybe those who haven't played handheld games in a number of years, or kids who are looking to move to the next level of their handheld gaming experience from Nintendo 2DS. And one more thing to be excited about. When can Aussies and New Zealanders get new Nintendo 2DS XL?
We will be launching first in the world on June 15th for $199.95.
First in the world, with a huge library of experiences waiting for you and an amazing finish.
We can't wait to share new Nintendo 2DS XL with you.
Play the games you want, wherever you are, however you like. With the Nintendo Switch system, you can play on your TV or game on the go. It's your call. It's easy to share the fun. To play together, simply hand over one of your Joy-Con controllers. They come in a variety of colors that really pop. Family members and roommates can be added as users, so they can each set off on their own gaming journey. Plus, parental controls are available as needed, along with the Nintendo Switch Parental Controls mobile app. It's a truly versatile system, offering a handy touchscreen, numerous ways to play, and the ability to share your favorite gaming moments on your social media channels. But as we all know, a system is only as great as its games. Get cozy with the ones you love. Expand your horizons. And before long, you'll feel right at home. Now let's have some fun. Nintendo Switch. And if you're dedicated to handheld play, well, so is the sleek, lightweight Nintendo Switch Lite system.
well, just give in.
Hi there, I'm Cortana, and I'm here to help the United States. Is that right?
Gained the lead. This is out of control.